So I finally released version 1.2 of this module. This is a full demo program that is available for public download. And this is the matrix configuration file that is currently loaded. So I'll just start with system off. I've got a PC preset for extended mode. You've got the 4 quadrants that you can route to. Oops. Snapshots, so I can recall the last one that I did. We can route something else, save that, and recall that. You can delete the snapshot. You can load snapshots from disk. Forget which one that one was. Cable TV everywhere. Or you can save. Let's try the different routing here. You can save that one. We'll save it to all 3 slots. Save that. Load that from disk, and then recall the snapshot. This is based on real feedback for that input, so if I'm rerouting the DVPHD back through the DM 8x8, then this 4-box combination will show up. That's part of the preset as well, so if I was to save it there, you can see if I recall this one, it puts it back into that mode. System off will clear that mode. And basically, this isn't just a single switch system, but the advantage of using the module is that it creates kind of a consistent interface that makes it seem like it's a one switch system. But these workstations, those are all fed from a 4x1 switch whose output goes into an 8x8, and then there's a DVPHD which has the 4 inputs fed by the 8x8, and then its output comes back in at physical input 2 on the switch. So it's a lot more complex than just one switch in the system. But as you can see here, the source text for the MD 4x1 routing feeds itself through the output, through to the output of the 8x8, and you can see the text feedback there. Because it's only got one output, so if I switch to a different workstation, that means it has to switch the 4x1 to workstation 2, or 3, let's try 3. If I route it over here, which is going to obviously change this because this is also the MD 4x1 output. So you've got them both on 3 now, because it needs to switch this output to workstation 3, so that single output, it's only one source, it feeds the 8x8, and then it goes to one of the outputs, or both, for the monitors. So everything is kept up to date with whatever you route. Same with audio. There's only one audio path, and that's the HDMI out of the 4x1 into the 8x8 switch. But with everything else, you've got full range, because these are direct inputs on the 8x8, so you can route one there, one there.